Right hand, start with the G. Left hand, start with the C and G. Your left hand has a C and G for a while, but right hand has a lot of different rhythm. Quarter note, and do you see number 3? That means 2, 3, triplets. So you play 3 notes in a 1 count. And then the next one is dotted rhythm, which is long, short, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you have 3 different rhythm patterns in here. Tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, E. And then now here, long, short. And the finger number 3, long, short, cross it over. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, long, short, 1, 2. And then the next one is D, E, F, F sharp. Left hand is the same, D, E, F, F sharp. So then finger number 1 both, and then now next one is your left hand cross it over finger number 4 to the next note, and the right hand is 2. So this is the scales. Finger number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then finger number 4, 2, 3, 1. So it goes F sharp, and then both 1, and then finger number 4, left hand, and then right hand goes to G with finger number 3. 1, rest, and then the left hand step down to F with finger number 2, right hand A. Step down again. Step down. And then left hand A. And left hand D, right hand F. And then step, cross it over, B, A, B, and then C. And then again, C parade. So if you're looking at this part, A, step down. So A, step down, and A again, and then hold entire hand. You know, just shift it down. G, step down, and then G. And then the next one, just stay in the finger there for, just use a step down and then cross it over to B and going down. And then again, the C. You can play it finger number 4, but finger number 4 is really weak finger, so it's better to use finger number 3. So it's easy to hit it clear rhythm. And then the actual song starts. Right hand E, G, C. So which is the C chord? Left hand is a C2, C, G. The left hand is a C, G, C, G. For a while, C, G, C, G, or D, G, D, G. The pattern is C, G, D, G, and right hand is E, G, C, and everything is quarter in here. So if we play E, G, C, and the left hand D, G, D, G. It's funny. Step up, G. Now here the left hand C, B, A, just stepping down and step up, and right hand is C, E, G, C, C. So basically C chord, but what you do is the rhythm G. 1, bum, bum, bum. So remember, 1, 2, 3, 5. The fingering is easier to go faster, so we use 1, 2, 3, 5. And then the left hand is a C. So if we go 1, 2, the rhythm is long, short, and then again, and the left hand skip down B, A, G, and the left hand, the pattern is F and C, and right hand stepping up to A, and you play the rhythm. Lots of A's, but the rhythm is long, short, and it has a time even on it, so you have to watch out that part. Short. So it goes long and so it goes long, short, and then you don't play it. Left hand only. Skip down, down, C, B, C, and left hand cross it over to finger number 2 and C sharp. And again the right hand long, short, and then cross it over to D. You can just leave it and go. B, C, G, C, rest. And then the next part is left hand F and right hand A flat. So it goes 1, long, short, and then left hand only. You don't play right hand. Why? Because it's a tie, so you just keep holding it. Long, short, left hand, 2, and then the right hand, 1. And then same note, but you switch fingering to 4. 1, and skip down, F, D, and step up, and left hand C, G, A, B, and right hand C, left hand E, and the same note for finger number 2, and the right hand, short, and then left hand D, right hand D, both D, with finger number, both 5. And right hand step down, left hand A. And then both G with finger number 1. And then again the right hand long, short rhythm. Long, short, quarter. And then the next one is E, left hand, E, long, rest, step up, rest, C, G, C, rest. So just check the rhythm, right, and basically triplets. All these are triplet. 1, 2, like this. So these are triplet or long, short rhythm. The combination long, short. Do you see? Long, short. It's either triplets or the dotted rhythm. One, 2, 3, go. Rest. notes are filled with